Will power sharing damage my iPhone's battery?
Hello there. In today's discussion, we're going to tackle a question that has been on the minds of many iPhone users. Will power sharing damage my iPhone's battery? This is an important topic to discuss, as understanding the impact of power sharing on your iPhone's battery can help you to better manage its lifespan.
What is power sharing?
Let's first talk about what power sharing is. Power sharing, also known as reverse wireless charging, is a feature that allows your phone to wirelessly transfer its power to another device that supports wireless charging. Essentially, your iPhone acts as a wireless charging pad, providing power to another device. This can come in handy when you need to charge another device but don't have access to a charger or a power outlet.
How does power sharing impact my iPhone's battery?
Now, on to the core question. Will power sharing damage my iPhone's battery? The short answer is, not necessarily. However, it's crucial to note that power sharing does increase the rate of battery discharge, which means your phone's battery will deplete faster when using this feature. But does this damage the battery over the long term? The battery in your iPhone, like any lithium-ion battery, has a limited number of charge cycles before its capacity starts to degrade. A charge cycle is defined as using and then recharging 100% of the battery's capacity. So, if you're frequently using power sharing, which causes the battery to drain faster, you could potentially reach your battery's cycle limit sooner. That being said, occasional use of power sharing is unlikely to significantly impact your iPhone's battery health. The key is moderation and managing your battery use effectively.
How can I use power sharing without damaging my battery?
Here are a few tips on how you can use power sharing without potentially damaging your battery. 1. Avoid frequent use. Only use power sharing when necessary to prevent excessive battery drain and reduce the number of charge cycles. 2. Monitor your battery health. iPhones have a feature in the settings that allows you to check your battery health. Regularly monitor this to ensure your battery is not degrading at a faster pace. 3. Proper charging habits. Avoid letting your iPhone's battery drain completely. It's generally recommended to keep your battery level between 20% to 80% for optimum battery health. So, there you have it. While power sharing doesn't directly damage your iPhone's battery, frequent use can lead to a faster degradation of the battery health due to an increased number of charge cycles. The key is to use this feature judiciously, while also maintaining healthy charging habits. I hope this discussion has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take good care of your iPhone's battery.